Yo, 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 what up, YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the below my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So, you may hear some noise in the background. This is going to be the first time I actually do a full color, correction on the thing because I'm doing on OBS and I'm trying to fix some of the colors, so I'm going to be messing with some of the colors on here with that. So at no further ado, here's the package right here. Boom, right there. Do we need the bat knife? No, we don't. But for you guys right now, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. We just gonna do this. We just do that because a lot of you guys get mad when I don't do the bat knife unboxing. Yeah, but like, why you ain't use the bat knife? That's why. So we just basically got this, the memory card that we need, and that was, yeah, that was literally it. This was supposed to come tomorrow. If you guys don't know, tomorrow's my birthday. I will be the big 40, 40 years old. Jesus Christ, time has passed. So we got this one right here. This is the 64GB V90. This is a 3.2 right here. So this is for 4K 8K recording. This is a U3, so you can see right there, UHS 2 U3 V90 SDXC Ultra Pro Professional right there. So we want to try to do 120 recording and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, what do y'all think about that? I do like the fact that I got some extra stuff right there. As you can see, zoom in and zoom out. I got my nice little screen that I got going on right here on my phone, and we are using this, so that's how I'm actually zooming in and zooming out right there. So yeah. Oh, I gotta clean my fingernail again. I keep cleaning this motherfucker and just keeps getting dirty, right? Nah. So yeah, we do need the bat knife, or do we need scissors? I think we might need the scissors. You know what? Maybe not. We could probably just cut it. Yeah, this part of the knife is not sharp. I gotta sharpen this knife up again. So that part is sharp. You see, it just went straight through. I did so many unboxings with this thing, it's not even funny. Okay, so we got that right here. I do still mess with Kodak. It's still a good company. They still got good cameras out there. So yeah, the next unboxings that we're going to do is going to be directly from the camera. We're not going to be using OBS. I will use OBS just for a viewfinder, which I do have a viewfinder on my actual phone, but I got this stuff upside down, so I got a lot of stuff that's going to be just getting switched around. So at no further ado, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy gang, and I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace. One. I'm out. Holla. Subscribe. Like. I'm out. Peace.